timers! Welcome back to my channel. This is Pastime Etc. Nandito na tayo sa ating destination sa isang resort kung saan isi-celebrate ulit ang birthday ni Ate Cheng at ni Liam. Nakailang celebration na yun, pang tatlo na to. Okay, so room tour tayo. Kung ilang rooms ang meron dito. We are here at Athena's Heaven, somewhere in Calamba. Pagpasok mo, bubungad sa'yo ang living area at of course, ang pool mismo and my dining area. Tapos, going up for the rooms para malaman natin kung ilan ang room sa taas. At ang ganda ng view, of course, itong room na katabi dito, overlooking the pool, ay ang room natin. Okay, so let's get inside. May tatlong bed na family size ang room and may magandang washroom. So lahat ng rooms, pare-parehas lang ang size at parehas din kung ilan ang laman ng beds. And aside from that, ang pang fourth room ay mga bunk bed. This is good for magbabarkada para makapagbanding. Okay, so ang ganda ng room, 'di ba? Napakalinis, maaliwalas, AC of course. And ayan, iyan yung view sa baba. And syempre, nag-umpisa na silang maligo habang ang iba padating pa lang. You like doggy? Nirent nga pala natin to overnight from 5 p.m. to 3 p.m. the next day. At ito ang proof ng isang masayang family bonding. Private resort nga pala itong kinuha natin. Medyo pricey pero worth it kasi maganda naman. At kapag sinabi nga family bonding, kaming lahat ay nagkasya dyan sa 5 cars. Ang mga ganitong pagkakataon, ang lagi nating nilulook up kasi nga family bonding. Ito lang yung time na bihirang mangyari, bihirang magawa dahil lahat working, except me. Ang saya dahil andito kaming lahat. Dahil nga, birthday celebration ulit. Good morning everyone! How are you over there? Ang ganda ng background ko, oh. Bundok ang backdrop. Parang uulan ata. Humahangin siya ngayon. Morning! Good morning! First doggy. Okay, come here.
What happened to your eye,
What
Kian?
happened to your eyes? Who did that?
Who did that?
Who did that? Was it Mason?
Is it Mason or Kian? Or Lola?
Oh, Lola. Oh, Lola. Sorry, Kian.
It's Mason.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, I'll be okay.
I'll be okay. Good morning. What
Good
about on your face? What happened to your face? Was it Kian?
Was it Mason?
Is it Mason?
Lola?
Ay, sus.
Huh?
Hmm?
Nothing.
Huh?
Okay.
No one.
Okay, no one. Okay.
Okay.
No one.
You say good morning. Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Mommy.
Good morning. Kanina pa tayo bumangon. Kanina pa kasi tayo nagising. Bibili pa tayo ng taho.
Pabili po.
Okay yan. Say pabili po. Pauwi na rin tayo sa bahay. Galing sa resort. Kapapasok lang natin actually. Okay, so that's it for today. Abangan na lang ang susunod na vlog kung saan tayo mapadpad. Thank you for watching.